What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I am back with another video, okay? And this is a video that you guys are going to want to pay attention to because I'm here to drop facts, okay? Nothing but facts. As you can see in the title down below, today we'll be talking about shopping online and shipping your items right here in Jamaica. All right, so if you're interested in this video, stay tuned, like this video, comment and tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Let's have a conversation. Tell me about your encounters with shopping online, and if you can relate to something that I am saying, or if it is that you know something that I don't, let me know in the comment section down below. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, okay, so for me, I'm going to tell you guys, for me, shopping online is a bit easy for me, and I really think it's so easy because this is something that I've been doing for a while now, because I realized that I find it hard to go into a store and actually walk around and look for something that I want, because most of the things that I want is in my head, and when I try to describe it, persons are not getting it. So I tend to just go online, type in what I want into these stores, and I realize that I can scroll through, go through on my own time and just see what it is that I want at the best price and all of that. Because, you know, this is the problem that I have with some persons. When you have a business, and even when you go on their Instagram page and you're scrolling and you see something that you like, you don't necessarily want to ask the person questions, because chances are I'm going to see multiple things that I like, and when I ask you for multiple costs for these things, you are going to get annoyed as the person behind the keyboard, and you know, you're going to think that I am not interested, when really and truly I might have been interested, but the price is not there and I need to make my decision based on the price, you know. So I shop online a lot. All right, so let's get into this. We are going to go from beginner. This video is very beginner friendly because I'm going to tell you exactly how it is that you go about doing this from scratch. All right, so the first thing I have on my list with me right here today is the fact that you're not going to need a Visa debit card or a credit card. All right, so the Visa debit card, it has, why I said Visa debit card, because some persons have like a Midas debit card or some JN debit card or other debit cards, like from the banks, that is not Visa. You cannot use it online. Now with the Visa card, you have, the site is going to ask you for 3 important things on the card that you're going to need to have. The 16-digit on the card, going right across, that's the numbers on the card. You're going to need the expiration date of the card, and also the CVV number, which is a 3-digit number that is at the back of the card. This is what gives access to the funds. All right, so for those persons who are skeptic about putting in your card information on websites, now what I'm going to say to you is ensure that the site that you go on is a very trusted site. Make sure you read reviews a lot. The reviews cannot be, you can't read enough reviews, right? I suggest that you go through, read reviews, because these things are what help you to make a sound decision on the purchase that you're going to make. All right, so before you input your card details, ensure that you read about the website and make sure the website is trustable. Like, people, I cannot stress it enough, because even though online shopping is so good and whatever, you have malicious websites out there that are just out there to scam persons. And I know that that's some of the things that you guys may be scared of. That's the reason why you have never shopped online before. So I am going to say, read up on the website first. Ensure that maybe you know somebody who purchased with them before, or if you're not sure about something, I think you can just come on YouTube, type it in, and see if other persons shop on these websites and what were their encounters. So these are the research that you need to do in the background before you actually decide or go ahead to purchase things online. All right, now the next thing, now with persons here in Jamaica, you're going to need to have or locate a shipping company, because without the shipping company you won't be getting your goods into the island. All right, so these shipping company will be like the third party, the three-way between you, the store, and getting your items here. So you're going to need to have a shipping company. I'm gonna give you guys my company that I am currently using to ship my items. I am currently using Pelipack. I believe their rates are very reasonable, and the wait period for me to get my goods is good enough for me. They ship 2 times a week, so if my goods reach there in X time, I can get it by X time. All right, and you can always reach out to them if something is wrong. So that is the reason why I use them. Now they have locations. I believe maybe 4 or 5 locations. I know that one is in Kingston, one is in Portmore, one is in Mandeville, one is in Savlamar, and I believe one is in Montego Bay as well. So you can definitely try them out. If you're in any of these areas, I suggest you sign up with them, because as I said, their rates are reasonable, and you can track your products with their online website and all of those stuff. It keeps you in check. So once you go to reach the facility, then you know you can always track it on your phone, and then you'll know when it gets here in Jamaica. So you need to have a shipping company. That's the second thing. Now, the third thing, am I talking too fast? I don't even really know, but I'm sure you guys are getting what I'm saying, right? All right, the third thing now that you need to have is you need to know some good stores to shop on when you're online. And I'm gonna give you a few, along with I'm gonna show you guys, because when I am shopping online, guys, I shop on a budget, and I make sure that I get good things and quality things for my money when I am shopping online. So I'm gonna give you a few websites that I use. I use Amazon, and even though Amazon is not the cheapest, it does have things that maybe some of the other websites don't have. So you can definitely go with Amazon. And their customer service is good. Anything that is happening with your goods or your product, you can always reach out to them if you're having a problem. So they are good. I also use Shein. Shein is very good and very reasonable, and most of the things that they have cheap. Some of the things, when you look at it, you might not believe the price because of how inexpensive it is, but the things are actually good per people. Me not lie. I use them a lot. Okay, and I can tell you that most of the things that I purchased, well, I've never really had a problem with things that I bought on Shein. Never really had a problem, but they're good. And the thing with Shein too, you can get points for shopping with them. You can check in every single day to get points, and these points amount to money that can give you a discount at the end of your purchase. So you can apply these at the end of your purchase when you're going to check out, and you will get a discount of any amount of money that you collect. So I believe it goes in cents, then it reaches to $1, and then you go from there. You check in every single day, you get points for checking in. When you get your product, you can review them and get more points. You can confirm your delivery and get more points. Everything that you do basically on it, you can do and get more points. Alright? So Shein is pretty good. And on a Sunday, actually, they have free shipping. And once you sign up with them, they will be sending out newsletters with new coupons that they have, or any promotion that they have going on. They keep you informed. So really and truly, I recommend Shein. Now, for persons who ask about Rumwee for me is the same thing as Shein. So I say, if you're already signed up on Shein, I don't really think you need to sign up on Rumwee as well. But it's your decision, it's your choice. You can always check them out. As I said, these are the sites that I use, and I'm recommending them to you guys. I also shop on AliExpress, but my problem with AliExpress is they take a very long time to ship the items, and it has multiple vendors on it. So it's not like you have a trusted vendor that I can say, go to this. I don't really have it like that. So I can say, go to this vendor. They have multiple vendors, and as a result of that, it can be safe and it can be not safe. I am recommending that you guys read the reviews before you purchase the items. Reading reviews are very important, by the way. So you need to read the reviews before you actually purchase anything on AliExpress. Alright? So I also shop on Walmart. Walmart is good as well. A little bit expensive with some items, but you realize that once you sit down, search the website, you can find reasonable things. You can also shop on Target, use eBay. Which other companies I use? Alibaba is like a wholesale, it's like the wholesale side of AliExpress. So for persons who own businesses or anything like that, Alibaba would have been a better website for you to shop on, because they sell things in bulk and they have multiple vendors as well. And as you go about, you have multiple websites. I use Sam's Beauty for hair products. I use a whole lot of shipping companies. But you can just ask me questions in the comment section down below, like where you can find some items, and I might give you recommendations. But these websites that I've mentioned, you guys can definitely go ahead and try them out. And coupons, guys, if it is that you want coupons, using Shein send you coupon all the time. You just need to pay attention to your email and see what coupons what coupons will match with your purchase. And they have a coupon section once you sign up with Shein. So it tells you the coupons that you have for the purchases that you make over a certain amount of money, how much this coupon can take off from that. All right, so those are the sites that you can shop on. Now when you use these sites to shop on, you're also, who doesn't want to shop and get money back after the shop? Because me love get money back. So you guys, if you want to get money back, I'm going to recommend this site to you as well. I'm going to put the link for this cashback site in the description down below, because I believe that they're good. I've been using them and I've been receiving my checks for the cashbacks that I got from the things that I buy from these websites. Now it's called Rakuten. I knew it as eBay before, but they changed the name recently and it's now Rakuten. When you first sign up with them and you make a purchase through one of the sites that they have listed, because they have sites listed and it tells you what percentage of the money that you spend you will get back. So I'm recommending that you use them. So for Shein for sure, I'm going to tell you, for Shein for sure, you get 5% cash back when you shop through the website on Shein. So what I do, or what I'm recommending for you guys to do, when you sign up with Rakuten, you can always download the app on your phone, because you're going to need the app to keep you posted with how much money you have to get, and it tells you when is the cashback period for you to get this money. So you're going to need that app on your phone. So for Shein, you get 5% cashback when you shop with them. And for the first purchase, I believe you get $10. And once you sign up with them, you can refer other persons to them. And then you will get a referral amount to your account. They fluctuated sometimes to $25. Sometimes you can get $30 for the purchase that the other person makes with your referral code. Alright, so I'm going to put that in the description down below, so you guys check it out, sign up with them, so when you purchase online you can get cash back. So you're spending your money and you're getting back a check. Who doesn't want that? It's a win-win situation for you guys. So I'm going to put that link in the description down below as well. One more thing that I want to talk about before I leave is customs charge. Because I know that everybody here in Jamaica wants to avoid customs charge, because who want to purchase the things that they purchase online twice? Come on, think about it. Now, let me give you the secret. When you're shopping online and you're using air, because some company give you two options. You can either ship via air or use sea. Now the sea one is for weightless shipping. Now when I talk about weightless shipping, I'm also talking about those expensive things that you want to buy, but you don't necessarily want the customs charge. You ship them by sea, and then you will only pay for the dimension of the box that the goods comes in and the amount of money that you spend. Now the amount of money that you spend is still not going to be the high percentage that customs would charge you, but they still charge you a percentage of what you pay for the item. Now when you use that, you're going to pay less money than when you bring it through here, because anything above $50 when you bring it here through air, as in the plane, that one, customs is going to charge you. And I believe customs charges ranges between 30% to 50%. They can go above and beyond, or they can just price your things based on what they think it is supposed to be if you don't provide them with an invoice and show them legitimately that this is the amount of money that you paid for the items. So you have those two options. And oh, Pellipat does that as well. So Pellipat do both air and weightless shipping, so you can use either. The company offer either one, so that's a win-win situation as well. So that is what I came here to talk to you guys about. If it is that you want to know anything else about shopping and shipping online, you can also let me know in the comment section, and I will respond to you and let you know what's up. So until next time, guys, thank you for watching this video and joining me today. Share this with your friends. Share it with somebody who wants to shop online but don't know how to go about shopping online, and let them use this video to guide them on the way. Alright? So until next time, guys. Bye!